Hey guys, before I start playing Geometry Dash, I'm just going to say thank you for 52 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Anyways, let's get in. Okay guys, let's get in. I would love this to be my depression-y music, even though you guys probably can't hear it because I don't like to turn on audio much. I just went flying. And it's my new best. I keep going flying, wow. Wow. Actual manic wrenches, let me do this. Okay. Doing my alien voice helps me, so ready, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so now I'm doing this, so let's go. Yeah, I'm screwing up real bad. Probably because I'm a mobile player on this stupid game. Holy crap, come on. Well, thank you for 52 subs.